Next method is addition by Trachtenberg. Addition by Trachtenberg method. Write it down. Addition by Trachtenberg method. He was a Russian Jewish engineer Jacob Trachtenberg. He developed this addition method that is called high speed column addition by Trachtenberg method. By Trachtenberg method. Trick is that add from right hand till 11, add from right hand till 11, then add LCM. Write down. Trachtenberg addition method. Step 1. From right side, add till 11 and put 1 there. Then next. Now put 11 come how many times? How many times in each column? Please write it down. Then I will tell you the practical. Step 3. Put 0, 0, 0, 0 both sides. Step 4. Add them in L shape. Write down. From right side, add till 11 and put 1 there. Then next. Put 11 come how many times in each column? Put 0, 0 both sides, left and right. Last, add them in L shape. Add them in L shape. When you will write it, please tell me W. If you write that, all 4 steps, Trachtenberg addition method. Trachtenberg addition method. Don't forget to write. Everybody have to write each concept there. Shivanshi, Khushi, and Anant have written. Explain. I will explain first. Write it down. My friend, explanation will be there if you have written that. Otherwise, you cannot understand that. Please write it first. Then I will explain. All 4 steps, write it down. That is very important. You will not find in any book. This trick is a unique trick. You don't find this trick. This is super trick. You will never find this trick. I guarantee you. Write W there, everybody. Write W in the chat box if you have written all 4 steps. All 4 steps. I will do practical, no problem. First write them. First write them up. Nobody must be left. If you have written, just don't write again and again. Only one time you have to write W. I want to see only 5 W's are there. Shivanshi, Khushi, Anant, Akshit, Anna, bus. 4 persons have written that only. Where are others? Others are sleeping. Don't sleep in the class. Okay. Should I take practical now? See that practical of Trachtenberg method. 345, 326 plus 789. See, 5 and 6 is 11. I will put 1 here. 11. I have said 11 till 11 add. Left one. Now, what is next digit? 9. Put 9 here. 11 you will not write. 11 left and put 1 there. Again, see. This is right side. This is right side. From right side, I will add 6 and 5 is 11. 11 I will put 1 and 9 here. Okay. Now, 4 and 2, 6. 6 at 14. 14 contains 11. Left 3. 11 I will left. Rest I will put. Now, 3, 3, 6, 6 and 7, 13. 13, 11, left 2. Got it? 11 out, rest right. 11 out, rest right. Got it? Now, I will see second step. I will see column contains how many times? How many times 11? In this column 11 come how many times? 1 time. In this column 11 come how many times? 1 time. In this column 11 come how many times? 1 time. Now, what I will do? I will put 2 zeros both sides. This side, this side. Now, L. 910. L is equal to 9 plus 1 plus 0 and 311, 211 and 000. 9 1 is 10. Carry over 1. 311 is 5. 5 1 is 6. 211 is 4. 001 is 1. 1460 is the answer. 1460 is the answer. I will take one time more. Don't afraid of that. I will take one more time. Clear? Now, 4, 5, 9, 6, 9, 9, 7, 8, 6. Now see. What I will have to pick? 11. 9 and 9 is 18. I will take 11. What is left? 7. 9 plus 9 is 18. I have to take 11. Rest is 7. 7 and 6 is 13. I have to make out 11 again. What left? That is only 2 left. 11 out, left here. 11 out, rest here. Okay. Now, see again what I have to do. I have to do 5 and 9, 14. 11 is 1 time. 3 left. What left? 3. 3 and 8 is 11. What left? 0. What left? 0. Now 4, 6, 10, 10, 7, 17. I will out 11, left with 6. Got it? Now 11 come how many times? 11 come how many times now? 11 comes 2 times. 11 come 2 times. 11 come 1 times. Now what I have to do? I will put 0, 0 here, 0, 0 here. That will be L. That will be L. That will be L. That will be L. 2, 2, 0. That is 4. 0, 2, 2. That is 4. 6, 1, 2. That is 9. 0, 0, 1. That is 1. That is my answer. Got it? Is it clear? Copy that. It is a very unique method. Copy it. Then you can better do at home. You can do better at home. Go for that. Okay. We'll send you the recorded video there. Please message me on. Then we will send you the recorded video there. Okay, got it? Please type perfect. Perfect. How many have got this idea? Perfect. Akshit. Got it. Only one person. Khushi got it. Now see. Here I have to do. Write it down. How we will use Trachtenberg method. This. 6, 5 is 11. 2, 1 is 3. 11 come how many times? 1 time. Now 4, 1, 5. 5, 9, 14. I have to out 11. 3 left. And 3 and 5 is 8. 11 come how many times? 1 time. Now 3 to 5. 5 at 13, left 2. 2 and 3 is 5. Now 2, 3, 5, 7, 12. Left 1. 11. 12 में से 11 out. 1. 1 and 2 is 3. 11 come how many times? 1 time. 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 Now 0, 0, 0, 0. Now what you will do? You will make L shape. This. 3 plus 1 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10. Carry over 1. 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 1 plus 1. L shape addition. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. Answer is 15804. 15804. That is the answer. Got it? You have to practice it. Then you can do 11 out, rest there, then 11 how many times, then L shape addition, L shape addition. Make it practice. Okay. The last question I am writing here. 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 8, 9. 3. Now try this. Try this now. What will be the answer there? What I will do? What I have to do here? 4, 7, 11. 11 one time. 9 to 11. What is rest? Rest is 0. 8 and 2, 10. 10 or 8, 11. 10, 8, 18. 18, 7 left. 5 and 2, 7 left. 7 and 2 is 9. Now, 9, 3 is 12. 11 left, 1 is there. 1 and 6, 7 and 1, 8. Now, 2 and 5, 7. 7, 7, 14. 3 left. 3, 3, 6. Now, 11 come how many times? 2 times. 11 come how many times? 1 time. 11 came how many times? 1 time. 11 came how many times? 1 time. Now 0, 0, 0, 0. Now L shape addition. This, 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 and this. First of all, 0, 2, 0, 2. 9, 1, 10 and 2, 12. Carry over 1. 8, 1, 9 and 1, 10 and 1, 11. Carry over 1. 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 9, 1, 2, 2 will be answer. 1, 9, 1, 2, 2 will be answer. It will be useful where there is a lot of additions are there. Got it? Okay, now see. Question is this: 2, 3, 1, 6, 7, 12, 35, 4,396 plus 2, 7, 8, 6, 9, 8, 7, 9, 2, 3, 1, 7, 0, 6, 9. Here, Trachtenberg method will be very useful. In long addition, long addition, Trachtenberg formula will be applicable. In 2, 3, simply you can do now. See, 3, 7, 10, 11, 4, 4, 6, 10, 1, 11, 5, 5, 9, 14, 11, 4, 3, 7, 10, 10, 5, 14, 4, 4, 6, 10, 10 or 6, 16 and 1, 5, 5, 9, 14. 14 contains 11, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4 and 9. 13, 13, 11, I will left 2. 6, 2, 8, 8 and 3, 11. 9, 9 and 8, 17, 6 left. 6, 7, 13, 2 left. 2, 3, 5, 6, 11, 0 left. 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 7, 13, 2 left. 2, 8, 10 and 2, 12. 1 left. That is 1. Now 1, 4, 5, 2, 6, 9, 15. 4 left. 4 and 7, 11. Nothing left. Now 11 came how many times in there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That will be 0, 1, 0, 2. 11 come how many times? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 11 come how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 11 come how many times? 2 times. 11 come how many times? 2 times. Now L shape addition I have to do. L shape addition. 0, 0, 0, 0. L, 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 L. 2406, 0448, 1247, 0224, 002. 24786 is my answer. Got it? Take the screenshot, do your own, practice it hard. That is a very new method which will be very useful in long addition. Anybody give you how much long he can give. There is no need to memorize. 11 out, rest. 11 out, rest. Then L shape addition. Then L shape addition. If it is 2, 3 digit, then you can simply add. But in long addition, the Trachtenberg formula will be applicable. Got it? Okay. We'll meet on now, tomorrow on Monday. Monday at 4 to 4:30. Okay. Classes will be 4 to 4:30. That is Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and 4 to 5 on Saturday, and 1 to 2, that is Sunday. Note this time, and bye-bye. See you again. Sayonara. Best of luck for all your working, and show me your copies there if you have.